Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be turning a turbo whistle on my dirt bike. So let's start opening it. Keep in mind that this was an extra large. I got it from Shein. It was $5, I think. This one is huge. And let's see if it works. Let's put it together. I'll fast forward ahead so you guys don't have to see me put it all together. Alright, so I built the turbo whistle. This is what it looks like. It is huge. Let's see if it will work on my dirt bike. Thanks for watching my video. I know it was short, but sometimes I just have to make short videos. Thank you, and like and subscribe for more videos.